This is Zhujiajiao. We're in Zhujiajiao. We just got here. It took, I want to say, less than an hour on the train.
It was like 45, 50 minutes.
But it did come straight here. It was only like a 10-minute walk over to the actual city. It was really easy.
And you can make it from Nanjing to here with only one transfer.
Yes, and I'm already kind of overwhelmed by all the street food. There's a lot to look at. If you don't know what you're looking for, this is going to be very hard. Yeah. Now, it's raining really hard, so we have umbrellas. I took the gimbal off the GoPro because that's not waterproof. And we have these neat shoe casings on. Amazon, thank you. So there's zongsu everywhere. Zongsu is sticky rice with pork wrapped up in banana leaves. And it's one of the specialties here. The grandmas make them like thousands a day. Check it out. This is Zhujiajiao.
Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up with wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide, hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide, hide with me, hide with me, hide with
me. We're in the pedestrian, like, kind of local side of Zhujiajiao right now. We're going back towards the tourist center because we're kind of hungry, so we want some snacks. I specifically want, like, the big pork knuckles, the hongsharo, and then I also want zongsu. So we'll see how many of these things I can find.
I'm creeping.